Hello dear students, open your SST textbook page number 243. So today we are continuing with our SST chapter number 2, Delhi. So in the yesterday's video we had learnt about the history, climate and the important places of Delhi. So today we are going to study the interesting places of Delhi. So look at this picture. It is a picture of India Gate. So now let's see about India Gate. The India Gate was built as a memorial to honor the soldiers of the British Indian Army killed in the First World War. So why this India Gate was built up? So it is a memorial to honor the soldiers of the British Indian Army killed in the First World War. मतलब जो फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर में जो इंडियन आर्मी के जो सोल्जर्स शहीद हुए और मार्टियर हुए उनके मेमोरी में ये इंडिया गेट बनाया गया है. द अमर जवान ज्योत इज केप्ट लिट ऑल द टाइम इन मेमोरी ऑफ द सोल्जर्स हु सैक्रिफाइस देयर लाइव्स फॉर आवर कंट्री. ओके, तो वहां पे क्या है, एक अमर ज्योत है वो रेगुलरली लिट मतलब जलती है. सो व्हाई दिस अमर ज्योत इज केप्ट लिट टू बिकॉज इन द मेमोरी ऑफ द सोल्जर्स, बिकॉज दिस सोल्जर्स दे सैक्रिफाइस देयर लाइव्स फॉर आवर कंट्री, मतलब वो हमारे देश के लिए शहीद हुए, उसके लिए ये इंडिया गेट बिल्ट अप किया है. सो चिल्ड्रन टर्न द पेज. सो नेक्स्ट interesting place of Delhi is Qutub Minar. Look at the picture. So it is a picture of Qutub Minar. The Qutub Minar is one of the tallest brick minarets in the world. So it is the tallest bricks minarets in the world. Means this Qutub Minar is built by only brick and it is very tall. It is tallest in the world. Qutub al-Din Aibak, the first ruler of the Delhi Sultanate, began the construction of the minaret. Then who built this Qutub Minar? Qutub al-Din Aibak. He was the first king of the Delhi Sultanate and he was built the Qutub Minar. The famous monuments around the Qutub area from the Qutub complex, which is visited by tourists and many visitors many tourists they are visited to this Qutub Minar, and Qutub Minar was built by a first ruler of the Delhi Sultanate, Qutub al-Din Aibak. And it is the tallest brick minarets in the world. Let's see the next interesting place of Delhi, that is Iron Pillar. So look at this picture. This is a iron pillar. This pillar is made up of iron. Iron means लोहा, लोहे का बना हुआ है. The iron pillar was built around the 4th century CE during the reign of the Gupta king Chandragupta Vikramaditya. So when it was built at the time of or during the time of Gupta king Chandragupta and the Vikramaditya. So in the time of these both king, the iron pillar was built. And an interesting fact about the iron pillar is that despite being exposed to nature, it still remains rust-free. Okay, so this iron pillar is made up of iron. ये लोहे का बना हुआ है. So it still remains rust-free. ये खराब नहीं होता. ओके, मतलब जो वो नेचर के कांटेक्ट में है, ओपन है, फिर भी इट स्टिल रिमेन्स रस्ट फ्री. ये कभी भी खराब नहीं होता. ओके, देन नेक्स्ट इज द लास्ट इंटरेस्टिंग प्लेस इज द रेड फोर्ट. द मुगल एम्परर शाहजहां built the red fort. Then who built the red fort? Mughal Emperor Shahjahan built the red fort. It is made up of red sandstone. This red fort is made of red sandstone. The red fort is one of the most magnificent places in the world. So the red fort is built by Mughal Emperor Shahjahan, and this red fort is made of red sandstone. That's so that the Mughal Emperor gives its name red fort. Okay, so student which are the interesting places of Delhi? India Gate, Qutub Minar, Iron Pillar and the red fort. So these are the 4 interesting places of Delhi. Next, choose the correct answer. The dash resides at Rashtrapati Bhavan. So president resides at Rashtrapati Bhavan. The dash was built as a memorial to honor the soldiers of the British Indian Army killed in the First World War. So, India Gate was built as a memorial to honor the soldiers of the British Indian Army killed in the First World War. Shah Jahan built Red Fort. Okay, Shah Jahan built the Red Fort. So let's see next. Now we will study about language and the dress of the Delhi. People of different cultures and religions live in Delhi. The main language spoken in there is Hindi, Punjabi, Urdu and English are other language commonly spoken in the city. So different religious people are living in Delhi, and the people, they are spoken Hindi language, Punjabi, Urdu and English language in the city. Different types of clothes are worn by the people of Delhi. Traditionally, men wear pajama and kurta and women wear sari or salwar kameez. So, different types of clothes are worn by the people of Delhi, and traditionally they are wearing pajama and kurta. Means men are wearing pajama and kurta and women are wear sari or salwar kameez. So student, look at here, choose the correct answer. Dash is the main language spoken in Delhi. Hindi is the main language spoken in Delhi. Traditionally, men of Delhi wear pajama and kurta. So now let's see the celebration. Which celebrations are take place in the Delhi? In Delhi, national festivals such as the Republic Day, Independence Day and the Gandhi Jayanti are celebrated with great enthusiasm. So, which festivals are celebrated in Delhi? Republic Day, Independence Day and the Gandhi Jayanti. These three national festivals are celebrated in Delhi with a great enthusiasm. Some of the religious festivals celebrated in Delhi are Diwali, Guru Nanak Jayanti, Holi and Eid ul Fitr. So, they are also celebrating religious festival such as Diwali, Guru Nanak Jayanti, Holi and Eid ul Fitr. So, see, look at this Republic Day parade that was so celebrated in Delhi in front of Red Fort. Okay, so student, this is about languages and celebrations of Delhi. So, in this chapter, Delhi, we had learned about the climate, history, important places, interesting places, language, dress and celebrations of Delhi. So, in climate, hot and humid for most part of the year, very cold winters. In history of Delhi, Indraprastha, capital of the Pandavas, Old Delhi built by Shah Jahan, New Delhi built by the British. About important places of Delhi, official residences of the President and the Prime Minister, the Parliament House, departments of the Indian government. About interesting places of Delhi, India Gate, Qutub Minar, Iron Pillar, Red Fort. These are the interesting places of Delhi. Languages, Hindi, Punjabi, Urdu and English. These languages are spoken in Delhi. Dress, traditionally wear men kurta and pajama. Women wear sari or salwar kameez. And celebrations, national festivals and religious festivals are celebrated in Delhi. So students, here we have completed our SST chapter number 2, Delhi. So read the chapter again and complete your homework. And we will meet again our next video with chapter number 3. Thank you students.